In this video, we will guide you through how to connect Roblox Studio with Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, before we begin, we will be using a plugin called Rojo to connect VSCode with Roblox Studio. And also make sure you already have VSCode installed on your computer. So start by opening the VSCode on the device, and at the left hand side, go to the Extensions tab. Now, in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Rojo and hit enter. Now, go to the official extension and make sure to install Rojo by Ivera. And once that you have done that, just go to File and open a new folder. Now, here you can create a new folder. So, let's say I want to name it something like Demo. So, I'll just click on New Folder. And once that the folder is created, just go ahead and hit enter twice to go inside the folder and click on Select Folder. And now your folder will open in VS Code. Now just click on Yes, I trust the authors. After that, just go ahead and press Ctrl Shift and P key on a keyboard to open the command palette, and just go ahead and search for Rojo and click on Rojo Open Menu. Now click on Install Rojo Now, and now here's Rojo will be successfully installed. And once that you have done that, you will get this option. Just go ahead and click on Create One Now, and this will generate the Rojo project file, including the default project.json file. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on Install Roblox Studio Plugin. And now, as you can see, Roblox Studio Plugin has been installed. Now, just go ahead and click on Default Project JSON. And after that, let's go to Terminal and click on New Terminal. And in the terminal, just go ahead and type the following command. Just type Rojo space serve and hit enter. And now, as you can see, Rojo server is listening, and this is the address and port. Now, just go ahead and open our project in Roblox Studio. After that, go to the plugins tab, and now you should see your Rojo plugin installed. Now, if you don't see it installed, just go ahead and restart Roblox Studio a couple of times, or go to the toolbox and search for Rojo and install the plugin. And after that, just go ahead and click on the Rojo plugin and click on Connect. Click on Accept. And now, as you can see, it has been successfully connected to our Roblox Studio. And that's it. That's how you connect Roblox Studio with VS Code using Rojo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.